We're back.
It's also more comfortable.
I think this is part 12 or maybe 11.
12 or 11 what?
Part.
Yeah, okay. Guys, we are back in our base camp. We made a secondary base camp where we are putting our resources. This is just a general hideout basement because we have a black thing on top of this. Shoot Corona!
Come on, let's go down.
না আমি ঢুকবো না বলো তো আমার কিছু লাভ নেই আমার কিছু লাভ আর ক্ষতিও নেই জাস্ট করো বলো যা কিছু করো চুপ কর
Literally, his parents are saying him to come back home and sleep while he doesn't want to sleep. He wants to have physical exercise. We need to have physical exercise. We didn't have physical exercise this whole day or maybe even week.
Toto, I found a weapon.
Where?
Guys, I found a weapon.
A weapon. Nice.
For dogs.
It's marbles.
Yeah.
Take that. It's gonna shoot. It's pretty strong. Marble is strong. Very strong. Like diamond.
It's like granite.
It's not granite. It's colored marble. Don't stop.
It's like as strong as granite.
Come on.
What happens if
I'll take the gun to take this and
guys, what happens if we hit a dog with this? This will happen.
the dog.
POV. That will happen.
The dog will die. Come on, take it.
Let's take it.
But
Should we keep
dogs
it in our back?
But we can't actually because those are pet dogs.
Oh yeah, we only have one.
No.
Oh.
Those are pet dogs. The owners will send us to police.
Oh yeah. Can we at least shoot? Oh wait, get it on
Yeah,
camera.
we can
Get it on
shoot.
camera. Tommy's there. He's passing by. Go, run. Shoot! My man, dude. There he is.
Should I shoot?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Ah, barely missed.
Guys, let's go. You stay here.
Take the gun and I'll shoot again.
I think we don't need to shoot him. I don't want to hurt him. He's my friend.
Just give. I'll shoot one more time. That's it.
Dodo, come. We need to take our resources.
Yeah, what about our bag?
Yeah, we kept it. Guys, this is so hard.
So where's the bag?
There's a bag.
Okay.
Our bag is right there.
Let's
We have our bag.
Why are you shaking the camera that much? Okay. So, get the bag and run.
Get the bag. I'm going to drink some water.